Today, we'll show you how to remove the Activate Windows 11 watermark permanently. Step 1. Registry Edit. First, we'll delve into the Windows registry. Remember, be cautious when editing the registry, as it's a crucial part of your system. Navigate to CMD Current User Control Panel Desktop. Look for a key named Paint Desktop Version on the right side. Change its value to 0. This will make that watermark disappear. Step 2. Task Scheduler. Now, let's head over to the Task Scheduler. Search for Task Scheduler in the Start menu and open it up. Go to Microsoft, Windows, Setup, and look for a task named GWX Triggers. Disable it by right-clicking and selecting Disable. This task is responsible for displaying the watermark, so disabling it removes the annoyance. Step 3. CMD Command. For an extra layer of assurance, let's open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type in slmgr, rearm, and hit Enter. This rearm command resets the licensing status of your machine. Once done, restart your computer. And there you have it. Say goodbye to that pesky Activate Windows watermark. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Drop your comments below if you have any other Windows-related questions. Until next time, happy computing!